Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by moving fast. Gather 2 4 players and position an Argent near the Valguero oil cave entrance. Once done, slot a pickaxe and crossbow into quick slots and place 3 sleeping bags at the cave mouth. You do this because group size shortens fights and the Argent provides scouting and fast extraction. Make sure to tether a medium pack mount for oil hauling. If you lack one, improvise with additional players carrying resources to save time. You proceed clockwise through the cave, using ranged weapons to clear spawns before engaging melee. This reduces knockdowns and lost resources. Once a chamber is cleared, use the Argent to scout the next room while one player harvests oil nodes with a pick and another covers with crossbow fire. Repeat for the 3 main chambers, consolidating oil into 20-30 stacks on your pack mount. This method keeps momentum and minimizes backtracking because you only harvest safe, secured areas. You finish by staging a staggered exit. Send the Argent and a carrier first, then remaining players follow in 15-20 second intervals to avoid ambushes. Once outside, transfer oil to base storage immediately. This reduces loss from unexpected PvP or server issues. If anything goes wrong, fall back to the nearest sleeping bag, regroup, and re-enter only after healing and restocking. As a troubleshooting tip, if you get trapped by spawns, kite back to the last cleared chamber and revive teammates from that safe point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.